In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply underpayments in Xero, 5 minutes. Underpayments happen when a customer pays less than the full invoice amount, maybe due to fees, rounding, or a partial payment arrangement. In Xero, you'll handle this in bank reconciliation by matching the payment to the invoice and splitting it so only the amount received is applied, leaving the balance outstanding. Here's how to do it smoothly. Start by signing into your Xero account using your usual credentials. If you're prompted for additional security, follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, open the accounting menu and choose bank accounts. Select the bank account you're reconciling, then open the reconcile view to see your unreconciled bank statement lines. Locate the bank line that represents the underpayment. It will show the amount that actually arrived in your bank, less than the invoice total. With that bank line selected, click Find and Match. This opens a panel where Xero lists potential transactions to match. Use the search field or filters if needed to find the correct invoice. Make sure you're selecting the right customer and invoice number and double check the remaining balance on that invoice so you know it's larger than the payment you received. Click the invoice to select it. Because the bank line is smaller than the invoice total, you'll now click Split. This tells Xero you're going to apply only part of the invoice as paid. In the split field, enter the exact amount that appears on your bank statement as the payment received. Accuracy matters here. Copy the amount exactly so the remaining balance is calculated correctly. Click Split again to confirm. Xero applies that amount to the invoice as a part payment and automatically leaves the unpaid balance outstanding. That remaining balance stays on the invoice for you to collect later or address according to your process. Before you move on, take a moment to review. The bank line should now be matched to the invoice for the amount received, and the invoice should show a reduced balance due. If you don't see the invoice during Find and Match, adjust the date range, search by reference, or clear filters. If there are multiple similar invoices, confirm the contact name and invoice number to avoid mismatches. And that's it. You've applied an underpayment in Xero using Find and Match and Split, keeping your bank reconciliation accurate while preserving the outstanding amount on the invoice for future action.